Assalamu alaikum. This is me Hussain Al-Lashari from Zabis Zabtech ITV Garo. I am very thankful to my teacher and I am thankful to my Zabtech team that who gives me the confidence that I am here speaking in front of you all. So I started my journey of Zabis Zabtech from October 2024. Before I did too many courses from another centers for English language to learning English language, but I didn't get anything from there. But in Zabis Zabtech, the teacher taught me very kindly and he teach me like a younger brother. His communication with their students is very good. That's why I learned many things from this center. So if you want to bright your future and if you want to make anything for your future, if you want to learn English, if you want to make brighter your future, then please join Zabis Zabtech ITV Garo. Thank you so much. Allah Hafiz.